what are we going to do today? Fertilise the green, cut the green.
Are we fertilising the green? You decide.
Okay, I reckon we will. So we'll fertilise the green, the rye, tidy up some sticks, see what else we can get done.
A few moments later.
Nah, it's on there good. Don't you have to lift it a little bit?
Trying to do that. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. What happens every year?
The galahs. Is it the galahs?
I think they're galahs, yeah. They're digging up the green. They just love it. I don't know what it is.
They do it there and then around the hole as well. They did it worse last year though.
So we're gonna mow this up, put some sand in these little divvy galah holes, then we'll give it a feed.
It's looking a bit hungry. Guess he's back. You look relaxed.
So it looks very hungry, so it needs a feed. What's your thoughts?
I agree. It tidied up a lot, but
yeah. You can still see the duck poops everywhere. See that? It's pretty sure it's brown patch, or rhizoctonia.
we got a few diseases on here at the moment.
Do.
We got fusarium over yonder.
Yonder? Who's yonder?
Got some fusarium here. It's dotted around the place actually. It's like
it is.
There's some over here too.
But it looks heaps tidier. A lot tidier.
It looks a lot
Actually looks good. Cutting it 3.5 mil now because it was not handling 3 mil with that mower. Plus it's winter. It was scalping it. When we did that video for the, what was it, US Open?
Oh yeah.
Trying to get it quicker
than US Open.
Yeah, it just stressed the green out too much. But 3.5 mil looks good. So I'm back here about 24 hours later. There's probably a little bit of a change, but nothing crazy. Tyre marks from the iron on the green, because the tyres are behind the actual spray unit, it seems to leave tyre marks. So to prevent that, we would use a backpack sprayer or walk backwards with the spray, but stuff doing that is too heavy. Yeah, I'll have a look. It looks all right. Be better if the sun was out. Oh, there we go, look at that. Thanks, sun. So you can really see starting to till up this ryegrass. It's really getting a lot thicker, which is good. The mower's doing a good job too. See, this thin patch here has come a long way in the last few weeks. Just needs another oversow now. Yeah, walking on the green, it looks a fair bit greener. Just those tyre marks there are just so annoying. This fella's loving it. Yeah. So I'll do a little overlay, I'll do a before and after from this spot from yesterday. Hopefully looks a bit better. We've had about 3 or 4 frosts this week, so the fairway is actually gone off a little bit more, but it looks good from here. It's just got a little bit more purple. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.